India is richly known for its ancient historical places which has its own identity and importance. Most of the people heard of UNESCO, which stands for United National Education for Scientific and Cultural Organization. UNESCO mainly works on historical and popular places across the world which has cultural importance. There are almost 1121 World Heritage in which 38 are from India. For next 3 minutes, I am going to tell you interesting facts of top 10 World Heritage sites in India. Stay tuned and watch full video. Welcome back to Fact Desk. I will be uploading short and simplified information in one video every alternative day with most interesting facts and trending topics which everyone should have knowledge. If you not yet subscribe the channel, please subscribe and press bell icon. Let's begin our video from number 10, Khajuraho monuments which were built between year 1950 to 1050 during the rule of Rajput Chandela dynasty in the state of Madhya Pradesh. Temple is beautifully carved with animals and humans by representing the culture of Hinduism and Jainism. Out of 85 temples, only 22 temples are remaining today, and in year 1986 UNESCO added this site to World Heritage Site. Next in list is number 9, Ajanta Caves, which is built by carving mountain rocks in period of 1st and 2nd century BC in Aurangabad district of Maharashtra state. This cave is richly designed with the painting and sculptures of Ajanta, and not to forget the masterpiece of Buddhist religious art. With art, you can know many things about Lord Buddha, and it is the first site in India to be added in the list of UNESCO in year 1983. Coming in list at number 8, Champaner Pavgad Archaeological Park, which is located in historical city of Champaner in state of Gujarat. It is said that Vanaraj Chowda, who was the most prominent king of Chowda dynasty, founded city in 8th century. With ancient architecture, temple, military structure and agriculture structure, temple is invaded by Turkish ruler Mehmed Begda in 15th century and made this as capital city by building some Muslim architecture. And it was in year 2004 UNESCO identified this site and added to the list of World Heritage Sites. Next in list is number 7, Pattadakallu, which is located in Bagalkot district of Karnataka state. Inside you can see 9 Hindu and Jain temples which are built in the period of 7th and 8th century under the Chalukya dynasty. One of the famous temple is Virupaksha temple, built in year 740 by King Lokamadevi to symbolize the victory of her husband over the kings of south. It was in year 1987 when UNESCO added place to World Heritage Site. In number 6, Hill Forts of Rajasthan, which included 6 majestic forts of Chittorgarh, Kumbhalgarh, Savai Madhopur, Jhalawar, Jaipur and Jaisalmer. The city is built so beautifully that it includes the urban centers, palaces, trading centers and not to forget the beautiful temples which represents the culture of Hindus. With forts around site, city is pride of Rajput kings who ruled from 8th to 18th century in the state of Rajasthan. And after many years, it was in year 2011 UNESCO added to the list of World Heritage Sites. Number 5, Rani Ki Vav, which is largest step well located in town of Patan, Gujarat state. It is believed that Rani Udaymati constructed step well in memory of Raja Bhimdev, who is the son of Mula Raja who founded Solanki dynasty. Inside there are more than 1500 sculptures in which central theme of place is 10 incarnation of Vishnu, and it was in year 2004 UNESCO added Rani Ki Vav only step well World Heritage Site. At number 4, Hampi, which is located in river bank of Tungabhadra, which is famously known for capital city of Vijayanagara Empire. The place has its rich importance for protecting Hindu culture by building thousands of temples and Hindu monuments. Even today, you can see many temple stones which are destroyed by sultans and nawabs. Today, Hampi is mainly known as ruined temple city, which is added to the UNESCO list of World Heritage Sites in year 1986. Third in list is Mahabalipuram, which is founded by Pallava kings in state of Tamil Nadu. Temples here carved in form of chariots, mantapas and not to forget thousands of sculptures which glorify Shiva. It is believed that carving started in 7th to 8th century, and in year 1984 UNESCO added to the list of World Heritage Sites. Second one is Sun Temple, which is built by King Narasimha Deva I from Eastern Ganga dynasty, and it is believed the temple is built between 1238 to 1250 CE, which is located in Konark in state of Odisha. This temple is built in form of chariot which is carved with 24 wheels and 6 horses, and not to forget this temple is dedicated to Surya Bhagwan, which is god of sun, and it was in year 1984 UNESCO added Sun Temple to the list of World Heritage Site. And last and final one is Chola temples, which were built by kings of Chola Empire at the time of 11th and 12th century in the state of Tamil Nadu. Even though there are many temples around site, Birudeshwar temple at Tanjavur, Birudeshwar temple at Gangaikonda Cholapuram and Airavateshwara temple at Darusuram are the 3 famous temples which are included in UNESCO list in year 1987. These temples represents art, culture and way of living of Tamil people. There are many other sites like Fatehpuri Sirki, Jantar Mantar and Taj Mahal, which we will cover in some other video. If you think this video as facts, then kindly share these facts and comment your views in comment section. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more interesting and trending videos.